Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about list rendering in Vue.js. So let's get started. So we have already discussed two-way binding in our last video. Go check it out if you haven't watched that. So let's get started with list rendering. So what list rendering does is whenever you want to render something like a total database, something like a JSON file or something, so you have to use something loop or something in Vue.js. So first, let me create a JSON file here. Let's suppose post, and it is a array. Inside this array, there are so many objects. Let's suppose a ID equal to and title plus one. I'm creating a few more objects here. ID 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's suppose you want to render all these items in a unordered list. So you have to type ul. Inside this ul you have to type li, and you have to use v4, and inside this v4 you have to take a variable which will be uh, a single variable which will render the whole JSON file one by one. So let's suppose I want to take a x in post. So this is the name of this one, and you have to type a key colon and equal to key. What key means? Key means is it will render it won't render duplicate IDs. So each ID have to be an unique. So x dot id, and let's suppose I want to print the uh, title here. So x dot title. So as you can see, we have printed post 1 to 5. So if you want to print the ID also, you can also do it x dot id. So as you can see, this is the ID and this is the title. So let's suppose you want to add one more item here on click event. So I'm creating a button here, and on click event, let's suppose I will call a function called add. So just below this data object you have to type methods, and inside this method you have to declare this function called add, which we have here, and this add function will add a new item to this list. So you have to do like this dot post. So it will take this array and push a value post dot push, and inside that you have to type the title and set dot x, and I haven't created this set element here. As you can see, the ID, we haven't created any ID here. So if you want to push any ID here, you can also do it like this dot post dot push, and let's suppose I want to add this ID, this dot ID. So I have to create an ID here. Let's suppose what was that, 6, and this dot ID plus plus. Yeah, as you can see, we have created it using list rendering. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.